What is it? Doo-doo. Ooh, it's a green doo-doo. Whose doo-doo does that belong to? A duck. Yes. Talking doo-doo and doing some hiking with my family on this beautiful Friday. Gonna come and feed the ducks. We have some old bread that we're trying to get rid of. So Daddy had a great idea of coming to feed the duckies and just doing some hiking. It's sunny. Oh my gosh, it's really sunny. It's hot in Georgia, but we love the sun, getting in our vitamin D and getting in some walking. Enjoyed some fun in the garden. We actually have some more work to do in the garden, but we're going to wait until this evening because the sun is really, really hot. So, hope everyone's having a happy Friday afternoon. All right, we made it to the ducks. Actually, these are geese. And they are happy Ellie came.
Can I have some bread?
No fighting. We have plenty to go around. Got my sweet twinsies here. They never like to be recorded, but I'm going to record them anyway. Hi, Izzy, Eliana, Gabriela, my beautiful princesses. Here's my wild child right here. Oh, here they come. Mira, mira, acá vienen. They're coming. The good familia has come to feed y'all. We are here.
Take what you may want.
Uh-oh.
Wait, that one haven't got any.
Oh, he's not interested, I guess. He knows what's going on. He can see the parties over here. Yes. Yeah, this is all old bread for the duckies. Nothing goes to waste. Recycling fun. Go back, and my girls, my little chefs, are going to help me in the kitchen. Going to make some garden goodies. We're going to be making some homemade zucchini bread. And we're going to make some Jamaican lunch and a Peruvian dinner. I don't know. Tonight, yes. Yes, that's what it is. That zucchini bread. They're going to get that mommy zucchini recipe down. You ready to cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, I hope everyone has a happy Friday, because you know we will. Happy Friday, everyone. Say bye. I'm ending my video.